We're at the Mississauga home of Pam Asen. Pam's two sons, Gavin and Ethan, were born deaf, and by the time they reach their mid-teens, they will have severe vision problems. They have what's known as Usher syndrome.
Well, we want our children to live independent, happy lives, and without their parents having to be there every step of the way. And so we're hoping they'll have interveners to take them grocery shopping, whatever activities they might need, drive them places, so that they have some independence in their own lives.
What did you do in music today?
Pam's concerned because recent changes to funding for interveners for deaf, blind people has been changed. The formula has been changed so that the money has been spread around to a larger number of people, but they will not be getting as many services as they have in the past. And she fears going forward, as her two sons need these services, that they won't be available for them. This is Christina Blizzard for Sun Media in Mississauga.